Sí, Max the dog.
Ah, Max the dog. Once again, you're doing an episode here.
Sí.
I see you have a new necklace, or have you always had this new necklace?
No, I have a new necklace.
Ah, okay. Tell us about that necklace.
My friend gave it to me.
Ah, nice. What is it?
It's a seashell necklace.
Nice. So, what are we talking about? What are we doing today?
Today we are reviewing iced coffee.
Nice. From where?
From Capital One Cafe.
Wow. Once again, we're reviewing coffee from a bank.
What?
We're reviewing coffee from a bank.
Yes.
But it's actually Pete's coffee, we found out, huh?
Sí.
Do you want to review it?
More.
Nice. Out of 5 stars, what do you give it?
I give it 5.
Wow. Better than Starbucks?
Almost better than Starbucks.
Would you say you're more of a, and I'm talking to Max the dog, right?
Sí.
Would you say you're more of an iced coffee person or a hot coffee person?
Iced coffee.
You sound angry in that response.
No,
Why?
iced coffee dog.
You're an iced coffee dog?
Yes.
Are you friends with American Gideon?
Sí.
Would you happen to know if he likes hot coffee or iced coffee more?
I think he likes hot coffee more.
Do you ever get in arguments with him about this?
Yes, I do, but we always end up solving it.
How do you solve such an argument? You're literally debating fire and ice.
Because my owner has the same name as Gideon.
Oh, I thought you ran away from your owner.
Yeah, no, because I always tempt him to come to Mexico.
Has Gideon ever gone to Mexico with you?
Yes, he has.
Oh, what did you guys do in Mexico?
We just ran up hills and stuff.
Whoa. That's what you get to do in Mexico?
See,
Why do you run up hills? Can't you do that in America?
no, we like to run through the desert.
Wow. So, you can't see it on camera, but do you want to show that purse you carry around everywhere? Or is that a purse or is it not?
It is a purse.
Okay. You want to show it to the international audience? So I appreciate the confidence, Max the dog, because some other people might say, no, it's not a purse. They might be defensive. They might say it's actually a man bag or something, but you just call it what it is and you call it a purse, Max the dog. How are you so confident?
I have to learn how to drink my iced coffee and stand up for my advice.
So do other dogs make fun of you? Hey, look at that dog carrying around a purse.
Sometimes they do, yes.
And then what do you say?
I say, no, I like it.
No, there's nothing wrong with that.
No.
So Max the dog, no one can argue that you probably have the coolest sombrero ever.
See.
Yeah. Max the dog. You just walk around the city of Irvine with a purse, a seashell necklace, and a sombrero everywhere you go.
See.
I mean, are you the coolest dog ever?
I am the coolest dog ever.
Wow. What motivated you to have this style? Where did it come from?
Came from living in Mexico for so long.
Is this what everyone does in Mexico?
See.
They walk around with purses
See.
and seashell necklaces?
See.
and sombreros. Wow. Anything else we should talk about before we call it an episode?
You should buy my new album.
Oh, you have a new album coming out?
Max the Dog. Max the Dog slowly rises.
Wow. Would you do the honor and preview a song for the Frank Sanapati Show?
I am Max the Dog. I don't live in a fog. But I am no hog.
Wow. Wow, very beautiful. Should we call it an episode?
See.
All right, okay.